Hi, dude. Let's click subscribe, and we'll make that bell dark, and let's go. Bye.
Hey guys, I want to thank you so much for helping me with the painting. And you worked so hard, and it's really important to get your rest. So, you think you're able to sleep with all that noise going on in the background? Hello? Yeah, we're able to. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for checking on us. Yeah, I think we're gonna sleep just fine. But I had a question. I was thinking about a question there. Yeah. Um. Could I ask you just one question before we go to sleep over here? Would that be okay? Oh yeah, sure, no problem at all. I was thinking about miracles. Mm, miracles, yeah, like how do mini masters create miracles? I don't know where that question came from, but maybe it came from meditation. But do you think you could tell us a little bit about that while we go to sleep over here, Chiboola? Me, just a little bit. Yeah. I'm going to sleep anyway. Well, certainly. I would love to do that. I would love to tell you about how many masters create miracles. Now, get comfy. Make sure everybody's warm, covered up. And then we're going to start our bedtime story about star power. What a wonderful question. How does a mini master create a miracle? Well, we better first figure out what a miracle is. And when we think about it, a miracle is just something that people don't think can happen. Something that people do not think can be created. So when it is created, they call it a miracle. Okay, so how can many masters create miracles? We have to ask ourselves, what is a mini master made of? Now this one is really good because all of you, believe it or not, check it for yourself. You're made of stardust. Yes, you heard me right, stardust. Stars, just like those on the screen. You're made of the same stuff that they're made of. So, think about what a star looks like. Let's say a person had a head and 2 arms, 2 legs, and they spread their arms out, spread their legs out. Well, they'd have 5 points and they'd be a star. So it's actually the same shape as a star. Now, not everyone has 2 arms and 2 legs. Some people have 1 arm. Some people have no arms. And one of my very close, beautiful, powerful friends has no arms and no legs. He actually rolls around on a little wheeled cart. Brilliant, wonderful master of life. Now, but we're just going to think about the shape of a star, those 5 points, the shape of a mini master, just thinking about 5 points. A head, left arm, left leg, right arm, right leg. So how do we create a miracle? Well, we use our star power. Our star power. We start off with our head, the brain, our magic minds. We close our eyes and we relax. We daydream or night dream even. And we just wait for ideas to come to us. Ideas about what type of miracle we would like to create. That comes right into our magic mind. Right inside of our heads. Those beautiful brains. Now, we take our left arm, and what we do is when we get the idea of the miracle, the idea has come to us about what this miracle is, then what do? Well, we take our left hand and we just hold that miracle. We accept it. We just put it close to our heart. Make it ours. Our idea of what a miracle is, and we're holding on to that. Now, then our left leg. Our left leg, what is that? That reminds us of something very important. We think to ourselves, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can solve this problem. I can work with this opportunity. All many masters, as you know, realize problems are just opportunities. Problems don't really exist. We just flip them right over into opportunities. So we think, oh, I can solve this opportunity. That's mini master language. Then the right foot. The right foot of the star. That reminds us to concentrate. Put our minds on the miracle. Put our thoughts on the miracle. And just know, yes, pay attention to this miracle and creating it. And then the right arm, finally, that reminds us to push the miracle out into life. So those 5 points, our magic mind thinks of a miracle. Our left hand holds the miracle. Our left leg, our left foot says, I can do this. Our right foot says, pay attention to the miracle. Put your mind on the miracle and how to create it. And our right hand pushes the miracle right into life. And that is how, many masters, that is how you all can create miracles in your life. They are waiting for you. Your magic mind will connect you to all of the miracles that you desire to create. And remember, everything that you do in life is important to our world. It is important to all of us. You are dearly loved. You are never alone. Enjoy your miracle mind. Thank you for being the stars of life. You're dearly loved.